Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. I am doing a sandwich pour with black negative space. So I'm just going ahead and laying down my black. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I thought, well, why not do it with black paint instead of white and see how that turns out. So I'm just trying to get my edges covered. So I'm not I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I don't know if anybody has tried it with the black and how that has turned out. But anyway, I think it'll be a good experiment. We'll see how that goes. So I hope you're all keeping well, and thank you so much for watching and subscribing and commenting and giving my videos a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That all helps my channel grow. And hopefully, you know, through that I can bring you more content. Right, so that should be all good. Right, and because I'm going to be doing the negative space, I'm particularly concerned about having good coverage on the sides. If I don't, then I can always go and give it a bit of a paint after. And especially with the black, you know, sometimes using the black and not painting your sides first, it can actually show that, you know, the canvas can show through, which in some places it is actually showing through. So I probably will have to go around. Right. So let's pour the cup now. Layer the cup. Okay, I'm just going to go and set it directly on here. I was going to use a big cup, and then I decided that I'm going to be doing, I want a lot of black negative space. So I'm just going to put that there. And, maybe I should have actually torched this first. Let's do that. Okay. Put that back there, just so that you can see me layering. So I'm going to go in with the black. And hopefully I will have negative space. Who knows? Let's see. Okay, so I have black. I'm going in with the red. And it is pretty thick because it's been sitting overnight. Red. And then I'll go in with some white. Oh, I nearly forgot a crucial step. So I have Florescent Pink here. To that I am going to add 1 drop of silicone. So I'm using the 1 drop, and if you've watched my videos before where I have used silicone, you will see that I only need 1 drop, so that's literally 1 drop. I'll give that a stir. Make sure it's all stirred in properly. And then I'll go in with the pink. And then I've got blue here. I wonder, yeah, we're going with the blue. And then I have this beautiful fluorescent yellow. I don't have a lot of that left in my cup, so I'm just going to use what I have. Actually, I do have some more mixed. I think I might just get that and add that in as well. So all my paints are mixed. 1 part paint, 1 part water, 2 parts of Floetrol. Okay, get all of that in. Right, so now we're going red. See, it has gone quite thick. Which is not a bad thing, because you don't want your paints to actually sink. Actually, about a year or more ago, somebody, one of my subscribers, asked me to do a sandwich pour, and I just never ever got round to it. Okay, I'm just putting a little bit of white. So now I'm going less and less because I've still got the black to put at the top. Pink because it's got the silicone. And hopefully I'll get some beautiful cells. Just use all that up. Right. And what was the next? Blue. And then I'm going to finish that off with black. I really love these colors together. Right, because my cup is so full, I'm going to use my spatula to flip it. Otherwise I'll have paint everywhere. Ooh, I think I'm going to have paint everywhere anyway. I can just feel it. Ooh. Okay. Oh, look at those cells. You see the cells? Wow. Like that. Okay, that is incredibly full. Just giving my hands a bit of a wipe. Okay, I think I'm going to do something like this. Oh wow. There's still a lot in this cup. Show you those cells. This is so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. It really is amazing how that silicone, the one drop, has such a great effect. Okay, well, let's get cracking. So I have to decide now. I think I'm just going to move it a bit this way. Maybe just take that off over there. And bring it back. Look at those cells, wow. That is really pretty. I love this here. I wonder how I can keep that. Maybe tilt a little bit this way. And back. Actually, I might take some of that off there. I don't like that there. That is nasty. And without losing those cells, I'll bring it back. Actually, I'm going to bring it right off, like that, and then bring it back. Wow. Guys, I actually like it just like that. It does actually feel a little heavy on the left, on my left. So I like that. Okay. I think that that is where I'm going to leave it. I'm going to give it another torch. The cup ran away. Hopefully you're still in the frame. I don't know guys, if you're still there. I'm using my GoPro and that's why I can't see where it's actually forming. Okay, I like that. And then I'll always take a scraper or something and just scrape underneath, because you don't want all of that nice stuff to fall off. And then I'll just touch up the sides. Okay, I'm going to torch that and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. I really love these pink here. It's just so pretty. I don't really want to torch it too much though. I will torch it around here. Torch it here. And there. Maybe a bit here. Right guys, I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright, this is it. I really like it. A lot. You see those cells with rings within rings. Maybe there's too much light on that side there. Those cells over there. Looks like a big bird there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this and thank you so much for watching. I really think that this black sandwich paw turned out great. Oh, look at that there. It's like a horseshoe. Alright guys, again, thanks so much and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.